For episode 4 of testing TikTok side hustles, I am going to do my very best to find ways of making money that are extremely beginner friendly, and then we're going to try them out. To raise the stakes with this episode, if we don't make at least $200 in total profit, I have to give all of the money we make from the side hustles we do to someone random in the comment section. Let's get into it. By the way, this video is sponsored by Cover, but more on them later. I know the PS5 came out almost a year ago, but hear me out. They are still reselling for upwards of $750 online, and the retail price for these devices is only $499. This TikTok video does a great job explaining how much money you can make reselling PS5s.
Here's how you can make thousands of dollars a week reselling PlayStation 5s and Xboxes. These consoles sell out fast and you don't know when they're going to restock, so follow this Twitter page so you're notified when they restock. Once you buy the console, list it up on Facebook Marketplace for about $200 to $300 more than you paid. You can also try to sell it on the app OfferUp, just make sure you meet people locally at a police station. This guy on OfferUp wants to buy this Xbox, so let's go sell it to him at the police station. That's some of the easiest money you'll ever make. Make sure you follow for more.
Honestly, seems easy enough. I really like how he showed him actually reselling the PS5 he bought for a profit. It makes things a lot more realistic, and now we're gonna go ahead and follow the Twitter page he mentioned, turning on post notifications, and hopefully in a few days when a PS5 drops, I'll be ready. As you guys can see, it is currently 6:57 p.m. and I have some good news for you all because I just received word that PS5s are restocking on Walmart. I'm literally just sitting on Walmart.com right now waiting for them to restock, and as soon as they do, I'm going to try and refresh the page at 7 p.m. and hopefully we get lucky. It just hit 7 p.m. on my phone and PS5s are supposed to restock right now, so I'm going to try and get one real quick. Walmart free shipping. Oh, it says out of stock right now. Refresh. They're literally already out of stock. What the heck? PS5 drops are definitely a little bit more difficult than I thought. It's literally so hard to get a PS5 nowadays since I refreshed my computer screen when it hit 7 p.m. and I still didn't even get close. We're still not gonna give up on the dream of getting a PS5 though, so here's what we're gonna do over the next several days. I'm gonna turn on notifications for that Twitter page so we make sure to know whenever a new PS5 drops, and on top of that, I'm also gonna make sure to sign into Walmart, Target, and also Best Buy as a member, since apparently you can only get into some of these PS5 drops as a member. That's honestly the reason I think the PS5 drop didn't pop up for me, because I wasn't signed in. It's honestly okay though, because we live and we learn, and we're only gonna get better at reselling PS5s from now on, and I'm honestly kind of curious how long it's gonna take me to get my hands on one. While I keep trying to get a PS5 though, let's move on to side hustle number 2. For the next 2 side hustles in this video, I am happy to announce they are going to be filmed in the great city of Los Angeles, California. I've never been there before, and this entire trip is possible thanks to the sponsor of this video, Cover. I know a lot of you guys, like me, are in your late teens or early 20s, and one struggle we all face is finding affordable car insurance. Cover offers a great solution to that since they focus on car insurance primarily for younger drivers with rates as low as $35 a month. Just to give you guys an example, I currently pay $83 per month for car insurance with State Farm, and just by filling out a quick 10-minute application with Cover, I figured out I could be paying only $56 per month if I switch to their service, so that's $324 per year in savings I can use to fund my Red Bull addiction. Download Cover using the link down below today. It's literally cheaper insurance with better customer service, since if you're using Cover, everyone has their own advisor they can text if they have problems. Now that we've got that quick plug to my friends over at Cover out of the way, let's head to Hollywood, baby.
How can I really been addicted to you? All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you.
Alright guys, we officially made it to California. As you can see, we've made it to our hotel room, which wasn't easy to get since our Airbnb canceled last second and I had to book this place. It's still overall pretty nice though. It'll do for the next 4 days for sure. And now let's go ahead and try out the can collecting side hustle. The reason I wanted to try the can collecting side hustle out here in LA is because number one, California pays 5 to 10 cents per recycled can, and also this area has a bunch of trash laying around. As my friend Christian and I are here in LA just exploring the area, we're gonna pick up as many cans as possible, and then we're gonna see how much money we get. The goal is anywhere between 20 and 25 bucks. And just like that, I started collecting that money by picking up bottle after bottle after bottle. Little did I know though that this side hustle is mostly for homeless dudes, since throughout my stay in California, I saw like 20 homeless people doing the exact same thing as me. My friend Christian and I just finished our first session collecting cans, and to give you guys a little progress update, this is what we have so far. We filled up an entire CVS bag, probably like 20 cans. How long did you think that'd take us?
Half an hour at most.
Dude, it's crazy. There's a lot of garbage around here. The next 2 days of this can collecting side hustle continued with similar success, since I spent about 30 minutes both mornings picking up cans and bottles. On day 2, I filled up 2 plastic bags, and on day 3, I filled up another plastic bag full of cans and bottles before taking everything we got to a recycling place. Today is officially the day, guys. As you can see out on the balcony, we have a bunch of plastic bags since they smell really bad, and they're all full of cans. We're going to take all 4 of these plastic bags filled with cans and bottles to a recycling center, and I'm excited to see how much money we end up getting. My guess is we're not going to get a whole lot, since we only spent about an hour and a half the last couple of days picking up cans and bottles, and I don't really think this is going to be a very crazy side hustle in terms of hourly income. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the recycling center. As you can see, I've got some bags, Christian's got some bags, and now we're gonna head inside. The recycling place we went to in California definitely wasn't in the best area, but at the end of the day, all of the people were super nice, and I respect them for at least trying to go out and make some money to better their situation. So first things first, we ended up separating our glass bottles, our plastic bottles from our cans. Now we're just waiting in line. It's gonna be a little bit since the line's pretty long, but I'll let you guys know when we cash everything in. After waiting in line at the recycling place, all of our hard work officially paid off, since the workers at the plant gave us a staggering $4 for every single can and bottle we gave them. We just finished exchanging all of our cans, plastic bottles, along with glass bottles for money, and as you guys can see, we got a total of $4.47 in earnings, which makes this side hustle definitely not worth it. And we had to go to a bad area to actually exchange this for money, so now we might get killed.
Not worth it at all. Don't waste your time.
Side hustle number 3 I wanted to try out to make money this week is day trading. Now, I've tried this side hustle out a few times before, but this time we are going to call out someone in specific on TikTok called the Daily Trader, since this dude literally does nothing but flex how much money he makes. Just to give you guys an example, he has a TikTok video right here called The Boring Life of a Stock Market Millionaire. Now, that doesn't sound very boring to me, but let's go ahead and watch it. A lot of times business pages on TikTok tell you absolutely nothing about how to make money. It's all about flexing a lifestyle and trying to get you to buy a course. I'm guessing that's what he means at the end by "let me teach you." He's trying to sell us some sort of course, which is somewhat annoying. I wish he provided at least a little bit of stock market knowledge on his page, but you know what? We're not going to give up on him yet, since this is just one of his many videos. He actually has another video titled The Boring Life of a 19-year-old Stock Market Millionaire. So right off the bat, it looks like he's living in some sort of mansion, so I don't find that very boring. Same Audi R8. Okay, so far he's worked a total of 3.5 hours. I'm excited to see how much money he makes. $8,000, and you call that a boring day? After doing a little bit more research on this guy, I found out that he actually does teach people how to make money day trading, but only through his monthly Discord, and you have to pay, wait for it, $294. That's kind of steep, but if that means I can learn from a millionaire, you know what? We gotta do it for the video. As soon as I joined this guy's Discord chat, he said that I should DM him for a 70% discount on his course to actually learn how to trade. I did just that since I want to save money on this, and he said the course's price suddenly went up to $500, $200, but with the 70% off discount, I can get it for $155. To make things worse, he also hit me with the catchphrase, "We have one spot left and many are racing to get it." Like, bro, I'm sure that's happening. So many people want your $200 course. At the end of the day though, I can't hate on my mans too much since I still bought his course. His sales methods worked on me, but now I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow and follow all of the trades he makes. I've been in that TikTok day traders Discord chat for 3 days now, and well, ladies and gentlemen, I have some bad news. In the time I've been in his Discord chat, he hasn't called out a single trade to do since, according to him, the stock market has been moving weird. I'm not saying that to hate whatsoever, since I'd much rather him call out one good trade every single week than like 27 trades that were hit or miss. This video, however, is going on 3 weeks of me working on it, so I honestly can't dedicate any more time to this project, but on the bright side, guys, I paid $155 to get lifetime access to the Daily Traders course and Discord chat, so you already know in a future video I'm going to be trying out his trading strategies. The reason this video is on its 3rd week of me working on it though is, remember how at the start of this video I mentioned the PS5 flipping side hustle? Yeah, it's a lot harder than I thought it would be. The competition on every PS5 drop is crazy. I was able to secure 2 PS5s from Target, but both times they were canceled due to processing errors. But finally, after 3 weeks of grinding, ladies and gentlemen, in my house is a PS5. Was it worth all the struggle? Honestly, yes, since after everything, this baby cost me $529.49, and online they are reselling for upwards of $700. I just listed the PS5 on Facebook Marketplace yesterday, and I already have someone willing to pay $650 for it, so let's go meet them. I just pulled up to McDonald's to sell the PS5, and real quick guys, I know I could sell this thing for easily $100 more, but as I mentioned earlier, I've been working on this video for literally 3 weeks, and we've got to sell this baby, and at the end of the day, $120 profit is nothing to complain about.
It's a brand new one.
Yeah, it's sealed.
It's for my son. It's a birthday gift. So it's my wife is like, did you find one? Did you find one? I'm like, yeah, I did.
All right, thank you.
Have
a good day, man.
You too, man.
Enjoy that.
All right, thank you guys.
All right, bye. As you guys can see, we just got the money for the PS5. This is honestly one of the better side hustles I've ever tried. I would definitely recommend you guys go out and try to do it. If you could literally just secure like 2 or 3 PS5s a month, that's $300 to $450 profit right there. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to drop a like. Check out the sponsor cover down below, of course, and save some money on car insurance. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.